Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to change the system navigation from the 3 buttons to the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on gestures, so the third option, and here again on the third option we've got system navigation, so let's tap. Currently we've got the 3 buttons navigation applied, so simply tap on gestures, which are at the top, and you can see that immediately instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. If you want to, you can tap on this settings icon and change the back sensitivity, but to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will understand what you're doing. So now let me quickly explain of the usage of the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You can see this arrow and release the finger. So we will go back, and the same situation from the right side, so as you can see it works the same. If you'd like to, you can go back directly to the home page, so you can swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, but remember that it should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, just repeat the gesture, so again from the bottom to the center, but this time elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. After releasing the finger, here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.